Alright guys, I've had this thing running for about 2 hours now. I'm gonna drain the oil. I got this little fan to help break it in. Still got that new engine smell. The break-in procedure. Fan feels nice. Alright, let's check it out. I'm going to turn her off. Alright. I'm going to pull the plug out. And get you the oil stick. Use my tool. We're going to check that dipstick for metal shavings. To the right. This should just pop out. Alright, so good. Alright, let's see if my magnetic dipstick did anything. Might have to put you guys down for a second. Let's see if I can use my other hand. Okay. Alright, let's see. Come on, Chinese. Alright, let's get you in the light. We got, let's see if it focuses. We got a little bit on the dipstick. Yeah, just a little tiny bit. It's really not that bad. I'm surprised. I was thinking there'd be chunks. Let's see if it comes off on my glove. So yeah, it does come off on the glove. It's not that bad. It really isn't. Might have got a good Chinese engine on this one. We'll see what the condition of the oil looks. Ooh, well, I'm doing the oil change already. All right. Alright. It's actually not that bad. Let it drain out fully. There we go. Making a mess on my driveway. You've seen it first. What not to do. Alright. Alright, got the majority of it. Make sure she gets all the way out. Alright. I just smooshed the oil pan. I bought it for a couple bucks. I'm not too worried about it. Alright, we'll clean this off. We'll look at the oil in the light. Alright, looks good. See this? It's a good design. It funnels in. I wish there was like a little nipple here. There's a few flakes in there. Very small. Not really that big of a deal. So I'm trying to get the best angle. Actually pretty clean, but there are some small flakes. I assume aluminum. It's a good thing to change the oil right away. I definitely wouldn't run it. Yeah, there's definitely some flakes in the bottom. It's hard to see. Let's see if I can get you in some better light, guys. So you can see all those little flakes. Something normal in a break-in. Yeah, definitely. I cleaned this pan right before I used it, so this was 100% clean. Yes, the pan's been used before, but I really cleaned it good. Degreaser and everything. So there you go. First break-in engine oil. Did pretty good. They want you to change the oil every 25 hours, which is excessively pretty short in my mind, but I guess in their mind that oil is cheaper than warranty repair, and for us, the consumer, oil is cheaper than excessive engine wear that leads to engine replacement, that leads to pretty much totaling out a little cheap Chinese generator like this. To have this engine rebuilt would probably exceed the cost or be close to the cost of a new one. So why would anybody rebuild an engine on one of these little guys? So yeah, that's my video. That's it. Alright, if you like it, I appreciate a like. And yeah, I hope this helps you decide what to get. The next video is probably going to be done in a while, but I'm going to be switching out the spark plug. I think it's a torch. Right now we're in the coronavirus outbreak in Southern California, so it's not something I'm going to do as of right away. Don't forget to turn this off. But something I'm going to do soon. I'm going to use NGK or a premium spark plug and take out that Chinese torch or whatever they call it. Yeah, that's about it. So pretty much 4 things to do with this thing. Buy yourself one of these handy dandy dipsticks with magnets. There's still metal on it. See that? That's crazy. Use fuel stabilizer with some kind of ethanol blocker. Change the oil with good synthetic oil. 5W30 is what I'm running. It goes for both cold and hot climates. And then probably change the spark plug to a Japanese NGK or a Denso, sorry, a Denso spark plug. And try not to make a big mess like I did. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.